old-fashioned voodoo. Y'all ain't even the shit, no, y'all ain't even the doo-doo. I got more flavor on the tissue paper under my tubes, so I'm slapping you foolish with wooden paddles, you stupid. Babysitting little bastards like little afternoon children. You could call me psychotic, but it's more like schizophrenic, and I can sleep. Could anyone tell me just where my medicine is? Guess I gotta show these minors just where my avenue is. Man, I swear I'm all about my brain like graduate students. I'm sorry, ain't mean to hurt your feelings. I see your tears, come here, give me your face, let me clear it. But I wonder how it would look if I were to peel it back with a skillet. And then I would feel it crack when I hit it, and then I would split it back when you heal it. Damn it, bob it, boy, what in the hell, what in the heaven, what in the earth? Where is your mom, what are you cursed? Where are you from, where was your birth? Where were you first, why weren't you in church? Why is there dirt all on your shirt? Man, and I think that you're going berserk. Am I a psycho? Am I a psycho? Yeah, I'm a psycho.